This is the lesson that we created, and we created for you to accompany this lesson. A video shows you how to create it and a PDF file. Now, I'm going to click on Start, just like your students would, and we play students or Start with Bugs Bunny, and you can put, you'll show you how to put anything you want there. I'm going to hit Close, and then the wiggly thing is flashcards, and you have to complete this lesson before you can go to the next one. Over here, I'm going to click on flashcards, and what happens is the students have 7 plus what equals 10. Well, if you don't know the answer, you click here, and it's 7 plus 3. And you notice we've taken this picture, copied it, and pasted it, and you'll see how to do that when you look at the other video. Now, there's 8 of them. I'm going to click one more, so make sure we understood. Here's 8 plus what equals 10. Well, if the answer is 2, okay? So we got that one. Now, I'm going to zoom ahead, make sure we did them all. And the reason I want to do that is because you already know the answers, and the student has to complete that first lesson before they go to the next one. And when they're done, in the upper right hand corner there's an X. Click on that X, and now see it says we completed, and Choices is the next one. So we click on Choices, and for Choices, what it says here, 4 plus what equals 10? Well, 4 plus 6 equals 10, so I click here and hit Submit, and Next. 5 plus what equals 10? Well, click here, hit Submit, Next. 6 plus what equals 10? These are pretty easy. Click here, Submit, and hit Next. 7 plus what equals 10? These are all in order here, aren't they? Hit Submit. Now these are random generated, but just so happens that these are easier. 1 plus what equals 10? Well, it's going to be 1 plus 9. So I click down here, hit Submit, and Next. Now, 2 plus what equals 10? Well, I'm going to make this one wrong. I'm going to click here and hit Submit, and hit Next. Okay. 8 plus what equals 10? 8 plus 2 equals 10. And hit Next. And 9 plus what equals 10? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Submit and Next. Okay, and it tells us we got 5 right and 3 wrong. Okay, so click on OK. Now to go to the next puzzle or game, simply hit the X in the upper right hand corner. So I show you those 2 are done. Now we have to go to Match. Now in matching, on the screen here it says 1 plus what equals 10? Well, 1 plus what equals 10? 1 plus here, right? So I click here and go down. So 1 plus 1. Next one says 8 plus what equals 10? 8 plus what equals 10? So it'd be 8 plus 2. So that'd be this one, right? Click here, and you'll see it's already up here. Now we have 2 plus what equals 10? And that would be this one. So you grab this and pull it over, and that one's correct. 7 plus what equals 10? 7 plus 3 equals 10. 9 plus what equals 10? 9 plus 1 equals 10. And you have 6 plus what equals 10? 4 plus what equals 10? 5 plus what equals 10? Okay, here's the results. We're all done. Now I'm going to hit the X, which means we're finished with that lesson, and we go to the next one. Now remember, once we created the lesson for flashcard, we just simply duplicated the lessons and you can choose whichever one of these games you want. The maze. Now this is going to take a long time to do, so I'm going to have to hit pause, but let's see how this works. 5 plus what equals 10? Well, 5 plus 5 equals 10, so we got to take this car and find the bus that's over here. So what I'm going to do is click here and try the best path I can take. If your kids like this, come all the way around. If you're really good, and go in here. Okay, we got that one right. Now the next one says 9 plus what equals 10? Got to take this car, and 9 plus what equals 10? I don't see it up here. Oh, here it is. 9 plus what equals 10? Got to find the truck. Oh boy, it's way down here. Okay, and where's the cars? Down here. Okay, so this will be quick. Go up. Now I'll hit pause, okay, because I don't want you to see me do these for all of them. Let's do the last one. 8 plus what equals 10, and we got to go to the bicycle. So you make sure you click on the boat, it looks like, and we're going to move it to the bike. So we go up, over, nuts. Over. Oh boy, this one take a while. Maybe your kids will like doing this. Oh yeah, here we go. Down, over. Good. We got them all right. So I'm going to click on OK. Now remember, to go to the next one, you have to hit the X. And on the next one we have here is lines. So you click on the lines. Now remember, you can make as many games as you want. 1 plus what equals 10. So let's scroll down so you can, this one right down here. So I'm going to click down here. And I'm going to draw a line. Now it will be red until you hit the correct target and it turns into green. Okay. 2 plus what equals 10. Click here. Green. 4 plus what equals 10. Here. Green. 5 plus what equals 10? 5 plus 5, 10. 6 plus what equals 10? It's way up here at the top. Got it. And the last one, 7 plus what equals 10? Okay. Now I know you say, well, these are pretty easy. Yes, they are. But don't make things too difficult. And you can adjust these, like I said, you'll see in the video. Okay, I'm going to hit X. Okay, now we've completed everything, and here's the finish. Now I created the finish, and it says, that's all, folks. And hit close, and they're done. Okay, well, thank you for watching our video, and I hope you understand this is integrating technology in your lessons, and it's fun for the kids, and it will work for all grades, all subjects, and you just have to make, like, for example, you can do this with algebra, you can do this with English. Do it with whatever you want. Same thing with, oh boy, with Spanish, this would be a cakewalk if kids learn the languages. Okay, thanks for watching.
That's all, folks.